media. Yes, man.
I'm like an athlete, you know what I'm saying? Except I ain't doing no sports. This is my sport.
My shirt them make me feel thick, sleeve them tight, muscle look big.
As Tanto Blacks would say, that's rich.
Yes. Say it, come, Bridget, come out of the way.
Birthdays are the days of our lives when we celebrate our births. You know, when writing that line, I thought it was going to be something, but it turns out it just... Some of us are so special to other people. And it is on our birthdays that they choose to show how much we are really worth to them. This is too much.
Do you wanna be?
Get yourself back together. Man just turned 19. It's been a year since I'm a big man now. I remember when I turned 19. I got a carton box. A carton box with me things them in it. So if I come out of yard. I draw me I never get a carton box with nothing. Never get nothing. Nothing. Alright, I don't know. Oh, serious thing this man. People catch a look on him face when him realize what it was not. Got him! Other than the new bread and butter Evitons. Oh, as quick cook would I say. I guess you can say it has some symbolic meaning, even though, get it though, bread? No? Even though I doubt it. I just friends, terrible friends. I play a prank for a friend. Me, I gonna give it some symbolic meaning, and here it goes. Though life may be hard at times, keep working. It only gets better. No? Shit, at least I tried. And if you have Jamaican parents, then you know say it could have worse. Because them have this style. But I could have tell you about it, but me I go show you for them style.
Son, yes daddy? Happy birthday. You like them?
Come on, yeah, man.
Hey, I know that you want me, want more than that.
Oh, this is K2K. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. And if you have videos that you would like to see me react to, send them to me on my Facebook page. Send them to me on Instagram. Send them to me on Twitter. But with that said, it's think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.